Seaview is a haven for talent, and Richie Rich found a brand new one.
Them act like them real, some act like me no know. In due time, them colors are go show.
They're on the streets right now for the next big thing at the dancehall. Right now with our Seaview, we one and only. I-View. What go on, man?
What go on with them?
So think of my friend.
Think of them.
Yeah, man, stay I go and pass you on. Yo, you're born for the whole place right now, family.
Everybody has said the same.
Yeah, I-View.
Everybody has said the same.
How you feeling, come on?
The feeling great so far, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we know the back of feeling of the music stayed rough. But we still do a thing and still go on, you know? Voice to a song and I go and catch the thing right, don't it? Yeah.
Yo, I-View, right now, give me 3 things about yourself and your music.
Alright, my music, I don't consider my music. I mix the old with the new. You know what I mean? Because I look young, you know. You understand? But I'm not really young. You know what I mean? So I grew up on like the long time. Vybz Kartel, them the long time I do one of them. So you know what I mean? Sometimes I mix the chop with it, with the long time dancehall. So
just blend everything together.
Blend everything together. We have a variety of everything.
As a young upcoming artist right now, how hard has it been for you, you know, to put the content out there?
Very hard, very, very hard. You know what I mean? I think that is the thing I'm struggling with right now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Everybody I say, oh, you're bad. You know what I mean? Because everywhere I go, every studio, you know what I mean? We're voicing for big producers as well, but we just don't know what I go on, you know what I mean? But I still go and put in the work, same way. So them act like them real, so me act like me no know. In due time, them colors are go show. Me can hurt them and show them no know, but me prefer write my songs them and put it in a floor. Now want me songs play through the stereo. Them are black like the biscuit Oreo. This is a studio, a broad records.
You signed to our records right
Signed to a broad records.
So them are records straight.
Them are records straight.
So now creating your own thing right now.
Own thing right.
One a broad records.
One a broad records.
Alright, Seaview, watch on man. But I Seaview, I talk the great I-View, the name now. Yeah, go tell me what the name of something coming up for.
Me left Seaview a couple of years ago, you know. You know what I mean? And we got Stony Hill.
Yeah.
You know that movie there, them rockers with Arsmouth and Jacob Milan, Gregory Isaac, and you know what I mean? It's like a brother named Ben. He must see in that movie, but he must a little boy at that time. You know what I mean? But when me go know him at Stony Hill, him get big now. You know what I mean? So it's like my daddy and me a DJ and me a do a little thing. And he must say, you know what, I-View you for name. I-View you for name.
So, right, let's just give a name.
Right, just give me a name now. Since I come back, I see if all of my friends them just run with it, you know what I mean? Me no wanna dealings from them, but me still now wish them no bad. Well, the next move is an EP, you know what I mean? Yeah, I want to drop a mixtape. Meanwhile, we drop the EP because there's a lot of songs me have, you know, because I've been voicing a long time now, you know. Songs that I know I got it, songs the producer tell me I got it, songs I have to do with video and stuff, so. You know what I mean? Music take a lot, you know.
Sense it.
You know what I mean? And videos and stuff, because more you do a song in the studio, you know say this song after a video. So you know say that I got cost for a little thing and you know what I mean?
Which song right now we have where you feel like sir, the song this right now what people look out for and for listen out for I go check out right now?
I mean that's a mind game, the same song I just sing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a powerful song. Them act like them real, some act like me no know. In due time, them colors are go show.
Last and finally, I-View. What makes I-View intense?
That means I'm going to tell the truth, you know.
Yeah, that's straightforward.
Yeah, I'm straightforward and that means I'm Virgo. I'm on the 25th of August, you know what I mean? So I have to tell a man the truth. So I feel that's what make me intense.
You hear that?
You know what I mean?
But the one and only I-View from Seaview, man at the moment, man to look out for.